1995 Chevy 1500 5.7 liter single cab. Got a little nice lift kit, nice tires, as you guys can see. I like this truck. It's clean. Anyways, got factory converter there. Then 2.5-inch pipe. Then we added a 2.5-inch. He ordered the kit off eBay. We'll have a link in the description. I took a picture for it. It's a Flowmaster Super 44 system, but it did not fit at all, so we had to cut it up and make it fit. Because when the kit, the muffler was all the way here, was hitting the shock tower. So we moved everything and realigned everything to make it fit for him. Out the back, 2.5-inch pipe all the way back. We're actually 2.25, sorry guys, on each side. And you can see we cut and fabricated, and we used our own hangers because the hangers he had suck too. That come with the kit, they always break. Into some 3.5-inch tips, angle cut right there and right there. As you guys can see. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. 1994 Chevy 1500 long bed. Remember the old signs back in the day, look at that. That's cool. Anyways, what we got done on it, factory manifolds into a single cat right there, 3-inch pipe. Then what we did is put a Flowmaster 40 series original right there, part number 430402 right there. Then 2 tailpipes out the back on each side, there and there, into some 3.5-inch by 18 or 4-inch by 18. Complete the look. It's got a new set of duals on it, like a new set of shoes, but it's duals. So it's gonna sound phenomenal. Because the other stuff, they throw it away already, but it was all rusted and bad. So there you go. That's what it looks like. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, hit that subscribe. Like it? Change the cat next. Put a high flow cat in there. That cat in there takes about 40% of the sound away. Sounds good then. Here's sound decibels again. Right at 98. Go ahead and back it out. Flowmaster Super 44 kit. Not bad. We'll let you guys hear it on more Chevy Flowmaster 40. Original 40 duals. Long bed. That's a classic sound right there. Nice V8 power. Very nice. Here's sound decibels. 102. Sounds so good. Oh yeah, I like it. It's a clean truck for a 94 too, look. It's a really nice truck. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. say, baby? Like a rock Chevy Silverado 1500. Now that sounds better. Nice. Enjoy, guys.